If you've ever browsed a website and spotted those handy navigation links at the very top, showing you exactly where you are, like home, blog, how to, then you've seen breadcrumbs in action. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add, edit, and remove breadcrumbs from your WordPress website using powerful SEO plugins like Rank Math and Yoast SEO. By the end, you'll know how to make your site easier to navigate and more search engine friendly. And you'll have the confidence to tweak or remove breadcrumbs whenever you like. Alright, let's dive right in. To get started with adding breadcrumbs, we're going to use an SEO plugin. And I highly recommend either Rank Math or Yoast SEO. Both are trusted by millions and will do the job simply and reliably. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins in the sidebar. Choose Add New and then just type Rank Math or Yoast SEO into the search bar. You'll see them pop right up. Go ahead and click Install, then Activate. If you're brand new to plugins, this process is quick. But don't worry if you need a moment, WordPress will guide you each step of the way. Now, once your plugin is activated, it's time to enable those breadcrumbs. Each plugin keeps its settings in a slightly different spot, but let's walk through it. In Rank Math, you'll find breadcrumb settings under General Settings. Once you're there, simply look for the breadcrumbs section. In Yoast, it'll be under Search Appearance, with a tab dedicated to breadcrumbs. Here you'll see a toggle or checkbox to enable breadcrumbs. Just switch it on and don't forget to click Save or Update at the bottom. This may seem like just flipping a switch, but what you're really doing is telling your website to generate those handy navigation links at the top of each page, offering visitors a clear path back through your site. That's not only great for user experience, but it helps search engines understand your site's structure as well. Let's talk about editing your breadcrumbs, because a little customization can go a long way. Maybe you want your homepage to read Dashboard instead of Home. Or you'd prefer a cool-looking character like an arrow or dot instead of the classic /separator. Head back into the plugin's breadcrumb settings. Both Rank Math and Yoast offer options here. You'll see fields for homepage label, where you can set what your homepage link says. Separator, letting you choose between slashes, arrows, or dots. And sometimes advanced settings like taxonomy, where you decide if category labels show up. You can even choose whether the current page is linked or just plain text. That's useful. For example, if you don't want people to click onto the page they're already on. Take a moment to play with these settings and preview the results. There's no harm in testing, and you can always switch back if you aren't happy with how it looks. And what if one day you decide breadcrumbs just aren't for you, or you want a super minimal look for a landing page? Removing them is just as simple. Go back to those plugin settings, find your breadcrumb toggle or checkbox, and simply turn it off. Save your changes and your site will update instantly. No breadcrumbs, no problem. There's no coding required and you won't break anything. If you're worried about losing your customizations, rest assured. You can re-enable breadcrumbs at any time, and your previous settings will usually be intact. There you have it. Adding, editing, and removing WordPress breadcrumbs is straightforward once you know where to click. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.